Hey neighbor, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to mow a wave pattern in your lawn. It's easy, it's one of my favorite patterns to do. Let's get to it. Before we begin, just remember that it helps to have something heavy to roll over your lawn. This is how striping is done. The grass blades are bent. The light reflects off of those blades, causing the distinction in color. Blades that are moving away from you appear lighter, and blades that are moving towards you appear darker. I'm using this Checkmate lawn striping attachment that I got right here. Now I have already done a trim pass around the border of the lawn. You can do this at the end if you wish. The first line is in the center, mowing from one side to the other. A helpful tip: to keep your line straight, stare at one point where you want to go while walking towards that point. This time, using the line as a guide, mow in a wave pattern, keeping one rear tire on the stripe at all times. Keep following this pattern. Before you know it, you'll be enjoying some waves in your lawn this summer.